How to add link to TikTok bio. Want to share your website, shop, or portfolio on TikTok? Let's add a link to your bio. First, go ahead and open up TikTok. Head over into your profile by clicking on this profile button at the bottom right. Now from here, you'll find this add bio button or edit bio button at the bottom of your name. So simply click on it and then go ahead and paste your link into the section. So if you want multiple links, use tools like Linktree or Beacons. Add that single link to your bio, and followers can access all your pages from one spot. And that is how to add link to TikTok bio. So once you're done with this, simply click on the save button at the top right to save the changes. And then once you reload your page, you should find that link on your bio. And that is how you can simply add link to TikTok bio.